Hi, hello everyone. I am from Sri Lanka. This is my new YouTube channel called Explore with D. Edush. This is my first ever YouTube review about mobile phones. Uh, this is my new Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 version. I'm going to unbox it. Uh, Actually, I got this is from local agent called Singer. Mm, Normally, Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 version is around $160, but I got some offers from the local agent and I got it for $140. In Sri Lankan rupees, it is cost 29,000 normally, but because of the promotion thing, I got it from 25,000 rupees. So you can see few labels there, especially mentioning that Google services available, and there is a Huawei 1 year warranty, and so many logos, and there is the name Huawei Y7 Pro 2019, and the color midnight black. There is actually three colors for this phone: red, midnight black, and blue. I got midnight black one. So there is also the name of the mobile Huawei Y7 Pro 2019, and there is according to local F1 approval, TRC Sri Lanka approved, and there is also reference number. So we are going to see this. There is a phone. There is a company mobile name with logo as mentioned, that Huawei, and there is a front camera, 16 megapixel front selfie camera, and there is two AI artificial intelligence cameras also there, and there is also few other things as well. There is a pin that you need to insert the SIM. Actually, this Huawei Y7 Pro is using for nano SIMs. You have to use the nano SIMs. And there is manual for the mobile, and the Huawei warranty card, and there is a free back cover casing for the mobile phone, and also there is a charger, USB micro cable charger, and there is a earphone 3.5 millimeters jack, nice one, white color, and also there is the micro USB cable for the charger and for the receiving and delivering datas. This is the power button here, feel and see clearly, and there are two volume up and down buttons. Actually there is no fingerprint, so I'm going to on the phone for the first time like this without a SIM. There is a nice touchable screen. This is the camera in good quality, and this is the front camera. And you have usual everything's. So actually this mobile is released at beginning of the year 2019 at January. The weight is 168 grams and 8.1 millimeter thickness. Android version 8.1, EMUI 8.2, 32 GB internal storage and micro SD card slots, and display 6.26 inches with 720 by 1520 pixels, 13 megapixel cameras, 3 GB RAM, and 4000 milliampere hours battery, and also there are a hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM type, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, and the processor is Qualcomm SDM 450, Snapdragon 450, and CPU octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex A53. There are a lot of features. So especially the thing about display, a wide 6.26 inches dewdrop display provides a clear and broader view for the better mobile experience. The elegant and simple design of Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 reveals its beauty to the world. The curved rear cover with published ceramic like texture and smooth touch gives you a unique and comfortable feeling in your hand. Available colors are Aurora Blue, Coral Red, and Midnight Black. The 16MP front camera features automatic retouching to deliver perfect photos. No need to edit your photos because your selfies are already tailored to reflect the most beautiful you. And the impressive 4000 milliampere hours battery with AI power saving technology makes you travel worry free and enjoy life without stopping to frequently recharge. Face Unlock 2.0 can quickly unlock from multiple angles for a conveniently safe and secure way to protect your information. The larger font, bigger icons, louder volume in easy mode, provide a better experience for those who need it. The simplified interface will be make navigating the phone stress-free and easy to understand. Those are the main features about the phone, and hope you guys enjoyed the review as my first review about this Huawei Y7 Pro 2019. And don't forget to subscribe my new channel Explore with DJ Dush, and my blog is travelwithdush.blogspot.com. You can subscribe my YouTube channel and put comments and likes and everything. And thank you for everything. See you in my next video.